Hey everybody, it's Bondal and Jolly with Elevate in 365. And in today's casual conversation, I am sitting with the fabulous Stephanie Alfonso, who is
Hey, everybody.
yay! Stephanie is a national business development consultant and social media specialist at Elevate. She's a part of our educational field team that travels all over the United States working with agents and brokers. So Stephanie, welcome. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Bondal. Thanks for having me. So excited.
So you have a very long official title inside of Elevate. What exactly is a day in the life of Stephanie Alfonso like?
Oh, great. Well, my days are pretty awesome. My team and I, we travel all over the country, and we go to association, MLS offices, and brokers' offices, and we get to teach and train agents the do's and don'ts, tips and tricks of social media marketing, how to leverage lead generation, their IDX websites, and just all kinds of different aspects of online marketing to grow their business.
That's
In a
fantastic.
nutshell.
And I know that you are in front of hundreds, if not thousands, of real estate professionals every single month. And
Yes.
I know like there's always those aha moments, right? Where when you're educating and working with the agents that they go, "Oh my God, that's so obvious and I should be doing this." And so do you have any tips or tricks or strategies that you would like to share with our viewers today?
Yeah, you know what? I think one of the biggest things is most agents come understanding and knowing the importance of having a strong online presence. But I think one of the aha moments comes in when we try to teach and show them how important self-branded content is online. It's important to be on all the platforms, and a lot of agents understand that. But a lot of times they're putting out content that is from other sources. So what they're doing is driving traffic to other websites, driving, possible clients to, national portals instead of keeping them with a gated experience within their own, umbrella of their business or their social media platform. So that's one of the big aha moments that agents will say, and a lot of the feedback I get is just, wow, how important is it that I have a blog that's branded to me, and putting content and information out that's all branded. And we talk a lot about that gated experience. Keeping things posting online as everything as an optimized post, so that everything is a link back to their website. Again, driving traffic to their website, their domain, building their search engine optimization. And I think that's one of the biggest takeaways that people leave is going, wow, that was so important and I'm not doing that.
Right. And well, it's interesting because so many agents come to you and they're saying, okay, when people search, for an agent in my community on Google, I want to show up in those search engines.
Right.
They struggle with that, right? It's always a challenge, particularly if you're not driving traffic and interest and content and things like that back into your site, right? If you
Yeah.
want to push them out to a really, hey, it might be a great article, but I'm pushing them out to realtor.com. Well, I'm going to lose them there. I need to keep them self-contained.
Yeah, absolutely. One of the first things we say in our boot camps that we do is, our goal, we want to educate, inspire, and motivate in the areas of building a strong online presence, but also building that SEO, that search engine optimization, and how both of them are so important, for successful marketing online.
Well, that's very cool. Well, thanks for sharing that. And I know
Yeah.
I've had the opportunity to see you and the field team in action. And I mean, your educational sessions are so fantastic. I mean, I love the interactivity. The audience is just so engaged. And I love to
Oh,
talk
yeah.
to your audience members afterwards, right? And what were your favorite takeaways? What did you learn? And what action items are you walking out of here with today that you are going to implement inside of your marketing? And I love that you guys actually provide them with that kind of information. That's fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely. We provide them with great information, a lot of information. But our boot camps and our educational series are fun. They're upbeat. And we bring home a lot of information that in a very relatable way, in a very understandable way. And so I agree with you. When people leave them, they say, "Man, I get that. I've heard it before, but I never really understood it until now." And so it's great. I'm super excited every time I get to go to work and get to stand up and talk and meet amazing people.
Well, that's very cool. So if you are listening or watching us right now and you are interested in attending one of our boot camps or even potentially hosting a boot camp in your office or community, just
Yep.
visit us at tryelevate.com/events. So that's tryelevate.com/events. Our entire national travel schedule is on there with all of the different cities and states that we're going to be in. And you can also reach out and contact us if you don't see your area on the list.
Yes, yes, awesome. We'd love to see you guys.
So, Stephanie, I always love to close the casual conversation with a fun fact about you. So, what
Ooh,
is your
okay.
fun fact that you want to share with everyone?
Well, a fun fact about me that people might not know is I am a tap dancer. And I've been a dancer my whole life. I taught it for many, many years. And so, yeah, something you may not know. So if you want to bring us to an event and you don't have carpeting in that room, maybe I'll bring my shoes one day.
You better be careful because people will hold you to that.
Right, right. Uh-oh. All right. I'll keep them. I'll make sure I keep them in my suitcase.
All right. Thanks so much for joining me today, Stephanie.
Yes, thank
and,
you.
And everyone, be sure to follow us every Friday for a new casual conversation. Have a
Yeah,
good
bye,
week.
everyone.